there are a lot of ways you can make money in crypto, all right? And one of those ways is through trading. And when we talk about trading, there are equally different types of trading that you can get yourself involved in and make money in crypto, right? So those different style of trading or types of trading are what I'm going to look at today. Okay, number one is spot trading, all right? Spot trading is the original concept of crypto, right? That you have your money, you want to buy any crypto asset, you go ahead, okay, you exchange your dollar, your naira for a particular, let's say you want to buy one Bitcoin, right? You can exchange your $100,000 to buy one Bitcoin. So you have that one Bitcoin that you bought, and you can transfer it from whatever wallet or exchange that you bought it to any wallet of your choice. You can do whatever you want to do with it, okay? So spot trading is a one-way thing. You buy low, you sell high, right? The other option is margin trading. Margin trading is the elder sister of spot trading, because here we have to do with leverage, okay? We need to equally borrow money from the exchange and all of that. But it is not as risky as futures trading, right? So on margin ranges from 3x leverage to at most 10x leverage, and it is for specific tokens, right? I will make videos. I have videos already on my channel that talks about all of these things, but subsequently we'll keep making new videos because of new updates of all of the platform, right? Then the next one is futures. This one is you can buy and make money, you can sell and make money, okay? So it's both ways. It's not like spot trading that is a one-way thing, right? So here, if you notice that the market is going down, you can sell and make money. And then if you notice that the market is going up, you can sell, you can buy and make money, okay? But on futures, if you buy one Bitcoin here, you don't have access to it as you do with spot, right? So you don't need to have the underlying asset. You just bet and then you'll be able to make money from it, okay? Then we have option trading, okay? Option trading is another way, another style of trading which you can equally do whether you want to bet that the market is going up or down and still make money, okay? Then we have P2P trading. P2P trading, the summary is if you have your dollar, you have your naira, and you want to convert it to, to crypto, right? You have to do that using P2P. For some countries, like my own country in Nigeria, right? The only way you can do that is via P2P. There are other countries where you just link your bank directly or your debit or credit card, and then you can use it to buy this asset directly from the platform, okay? Then the last one here is meme coins, okay? There are those who call degen traders or meme coin traders, right? So this one too, it works like spot. It is a one-way thing, but it is not spot trading. So you can trade meme coins on Solana, okay, on the Solana blockchain. It can be on Binance blockchain. It can be on Base, on Ethereum, on each of these different chains, right? But it can give you money faster, and then it can equally take money from you faster, right? So what you want to do to get started, you don't really need to, let's say somebody just published a video today, or you have seen somewhere that somebody says, oh, I made $10,000 trading spot, and then you jump into that one, right? Or somebody says, oh, I've been able to turn my $5 into $1,000 doing futures. You jump into that one. Or somebody say, oh, I traded meme coin and I turned my $5 into $1 million. You jump into that one, right? All of these are there. They are not running it from you, right? All you need to do is to take out your time, okay, to study all of these things, right? While with spot, okay, margin, futures, you need to learn what? Technical analysis, okay? You need to learn TA, all right? Couple with fundamentals, right? If you must trade spot, you trade margin, okay, buy and sell on futures and all of that. You have to understand technical analysis and then couple with fundamentals, okay? With P2P trading, okay, you don't need technical analysis. With meme coin trading, you don't need technical analysis, okay? And then option trading, you need part of technical analysis, all right? And technical analysis is exactly what we do at the office right here, okay? We do both physical and online training. So if you want to really learn how to know when to buy and when to sell, we have to read charts and all of that, then there is need for you to join us, okay? So one thing I want you to understand, okay, futures and option trading, okay, this one is classified as derivative trading, okay? So derivatives, all right? Now, for those of you who have been trading on Bybit, previously you will notice that before you trade futures, you need to click on derivatives, right? And then when you click on derivatives, you have at the top there, you have option trading, all of those different style of trading, okay? But right now, whether it is futures on Bybit or it is derivative on any other exchange, they are all the same, all right? they are all the same. So here, since it is derivative, it means that you don't need to own the underlying asset. All you just need to own is your USDT, your stable coin rather, okay, because it can be USDT, it can be USDE, it can be USDC, or it can even be the US dollar itself, right? The link to join my Telegram group will be in the video description, or check out my bio for that. All of the information you need to be able to learn crypto trading and go into these different types of trading, which we'll be treating all here. Aside the fact that we'll teach you TAs, okay, we will teach you how to do spot, how to do margin, how to do futures, how to do option trading, and then how to do P2P trading, and then last but not the least, how to make a lot of money trading meme coins. If you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe, follow for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.